You want to make a trading journal which allows you to look into your trading deeper, and, without much everyday effort, you can do it for free on Google Sheets. Stay tuned as I will help you build a trading journal which will be better than most paid trading journals available today. Let's start with a fresh Google Sheet. You can name the sheet according to your choice. Rename this page to Analysis. Naming the sheet is important, so keep it short and don't mess it up. Follow my instructions closely. The most important tools I'm using in Google Sheets are the Match tool, which is like a roller paintbrush, the Border tool, and the Merge tool. Merging cells is crucial to create a clean-looking sheet. Follow my instructions for the analysis you're trading. For example, I'm making sections for 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly analysis. You can customize them according to your needs. I'm also using shapes for support and resistance, like wedges and head and shoulders. You can design according to your preference. Date format is essential. You can use your preferred format, such as day, month, and year with dots separating them. Formulas are marked with an equal sign, indicating a simple formula. I'll share the formulas I use, so don't worry. Feel free to pause and watch the video for more clarity. Use any color you prefer. I'm currently using blue and pink, but you can choose differently. The match function helps me save time. If you make a mistake, use the blank cells around the sheet and the match tool to start fresh in a new cell. The formatting and typing you're doing now to build a system of journaling is a one-time setup, not required daily. At the end, just use copy and paste for your next analysis. Leave ample space for comments, quick notes, and your overall analysis, helping you keep track of your understanding and execution plans. I'm using the merge cell functionality again to make space for pictures I'll be adding. These are just initial stages, so I'm not sure of the size yet. I'll finalize it later. In this Google Sheet, I'm using 4 spaces for 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, and daily pictures. You can use 32 or any number that suits your analysis or practice. I've added a fresh new space for the symbol list used in trading. Whether you trade one pair or multiple instruments, this sheet serves universally. The second sheet is named Drop. It's short for drop-down menus. This sheet is for making your drop-down menu list. Write down your type of analysis, for example, technical analysis, uptrend, downtrend, reversal, etc., in the flow section. You can add trends, dedicated support and resistance sections, and any other important details related to your analysis. The most important functionality we'll use here is the drop-down menu. Right-click on the cells and select drop-down. Use the same analysis section you selected in the drop sheet. Later, you can use the right-side menu named Data Validation Rules to add new rules for drop-down menus. You can either copy my color formatting or use your own according to your needs. For example, I'm using dark green for bullish trend. We use drop-down menus to make the analysis quantifiable and later have a dedicated qualitative analysis. For example, in a bullish trend, you can track how many times the execution style failed in the last 10 days. Adjust the cells to fit the pictures you add. Name them accordingly. Now, add the symbol list. This is the final part of the video. After this, I'll show you how I do it every day without much effort. Select the whole thing, copy, and paste below, leaving a gap of 2 rows. Use the delete functionality button to remove all previous analysis and pictures. There you go. You have a fresh analysis section. Just change the date every day on the left side, and the top will change automatically due to the function used. Please like and subscribe and wait for the next update.